small. There he is. Oh, dadgum. Watch him come up and eat that son of a gun. Not a bad fish. First fish of the day. Hammered the jackhammer. Not bad. Buddy. All right. Nice first fish. Hammered it. I saw him come up and eat it. Where'd he go? There he goes. Sorry if the wind's bad, guys. We got a storm blowing in, but the fish are biting. Oh, horrible cast. See if it'll work though. There he is. Oh my gosh, there he is. Good fish, guys. Good fish. Oh my gosh. Dude, barely hooked. Oh no, I gotta pull him over this stupid thing. Oh, what the toss. Oh, freak. Please don't be no snakes. Oh, there he is. Come on, dude. Barely freaking hooked. Oh. What the heck am I hung on? There he is. There he is. Yes, come on. Oh, he's barely hooked. That line's fixing to break. What the heck is going on? Oh. There he is. They came off. Whoa! There he is. 2 casts in a row. That's a hoss right there. It's 2.5, maybe a 3. All right, guys, let's caught this fish. This fish is definitely closer to 3 than the last ones. I'll say at least 2.5, but at least. There we go. Okay, not bad. 2.67. That's a good fish. Here on this fish, biggest fish of the day, 2 3/4. Close to that. Maybe that's a good fish. There he goes. Around this bank. Probably get a lot of bites on Texas rig. There he is. Oh my gosh, running straight freaking at. It's gotta be small. I think. Oh, what's a good fish, actually? It's a real good fish. Oh, frick. Good fish for the pond, at least. What? Maybe 2. And held it. Finally, he fully ate it. That's a good fish. Alright, guys, let's get a quick weight on him. I'll say 2. 181. It's not a bad fish for this pond, at least. It's not bad at all. Oh, there we go. There he is. Oh, frick. Come. Oh my God, that's a good fish, dude. It's a really good fish for the ponds. Oh, there he is, dude. Guys, this is a good fish. Oh my gosh, that is a toad. Oh my dadgum. It's a 3 or maybe 3.5. Nah, I doubt it. Probably 2.5. Here, let me get the scale. Oh, that's 2.5, maybe 3. All right, guys, I got the scale. Let's see what we got here. Let's see here. $2.56. It's not bad. That's a good fish for this pond, man. Really good fish. 2.5, man. He's close to 3. Still a good fish. There he is. Oh, that's a dandy. Yeah, it's a good fish. Oh, yes, sir. On the frog. It's a good fish.